Hi guys, this is me Bernardine Balasbes, and for today's video guys tayo ay mag house chore guys, kahit masikip lang dito guys. And first time ko po ito magbablog guys. Sana mag-subscribe, like, and share kayo sa aking video na to. Kaya guys, umpisan na natin. Let's go! Let's go guys, umpisan na natin guys. Ito nga pala guys yung aming TV guys. Kaunti lang ito guys. Maliit lang guys. Sorry, hindi pala kaunti. Ito naman yung aming lagayan ng aming bag. Dito po siya guys. At ito naman yung aming mga babies. Sorry guys kung makalat dito guys kasi Guys, ito po yung aming Dora box. Ang liit lang niya guys. At ito naman yung aming mga pagkain. Meron kami ditong egg. Yung dirty kitchen. May dirty kitchen kami guys for today's video. For today's, ito guys Ito kasi guys, sira na to. At ito yung aming bago guys. Sorry guys kung ang kalat dito na part guys. Pasensyaan nyo na ako guys. At ito naman yung aming kwarto guys. Hindi to akin guys. Ito po guys yung aming kwarto guys. Meron po kami ditong bagong linabhan guys. Hindi pa namin natutupit. Ito po yung aking uniform. Bagong laba ko lang po yan. At dito na po ay ang aming all of my house chores. Hey guys, goodbye guys. Thank you for watching.